everyone, this is Pooja Chaudhary, certified yoga instructor and a practitioner. Here I am with another video. In my last video, I taught you how to correct your breathing pattern so that you can get maximum benefits from whatever form of workout you do. And today, we are going to discuss the foundation of yoga practice. But before we proceed, I would like to ask you one question. So, are you from one of those people who thinks that yoga is all about asana, pranayam and meditation practice? If your answer is yes, then please watch the video till the end because today's video is for you. As a house stands firmly on its foundation, same way our body needs a strong foundation which becomes the base for the whole practice of yoga. The base here we're talking for our body is internal cleansing of our body. This internal cleansing in yoga is called Shatkarma. Yes, today we are going to discuss Shatkarma. Shatkarma is a Sanskrit word and in Hindi we call these Shuddhi Kriyas. Shat Karma. So these two root word means Shat means 6 and Karma means action. Shatkarma includes 6 techniques with the help of which we can cleanse and purify our internal body. In the simpler words, these techniques are done to cleanse ingestion, digestion and excretory system of our body. Shatkarma actually prepares our body to get maximum benefits out of asana and pranayama. Now you'll ask, why do we need to cleanse our body internally? So I'll explain you by giving one small example. Consider your body as a computer system. So your outer body like your hands, legs, teeth, your face, consider it as a hardware, okay? And your internal body organs as a software of computer system. So now you can clean. You can clean your external body parts by brushing, bathing, washing, but you cannot clean your internal organs and they do come in contact with external matter like food, various chemicals, pollutants, but we never cleanse them. So with the help of Shatkarma, you can cleanse your internal organs and it actually make you feel so light and energetic. These 6 techniques include Neti, Dhoti, Noli, Basti, Kapalbhati, Tratak. Neti is the cleansing of your nasal passage. Dhoti includes a series of techniques which cleanses your alimentary canal. Then Basti is the washing and toning of colon part of your large intestine. Noli is the abdominal massage which strengthens your abdominal muscle and organs. Then Kapalbhati, this is the breathing technique which cleanses the frontal region of brain. And then Tratak. Tratak is the practice of intense gazing at one point of time or at any object which not only increases your concentration but also purifies and strengthens your eyes. All these 6 techniques are very powerful techniques and we should never learn them from reading books and from inexperienced people. I personally learned these techniques from my guru and when I mastered it, then only I started practicing at home. So always learn this under the guidance of an expert yoga teacher. And in pregnancy, except Neti and Tratak, no other techniques should be performed. Now I am going to explain you all 6 techniques briefly, like who should do this and who should not and how to do this. In my upcoming videos, you will see me performing all these kriyas so that you get a clear picture in your head like what all challenges you can have while doing this and while learning this, and also you can use these videos as your future reference when you plan to learn these kriyas. So the first technique is Neti. Two most common type of Netis are Jal Neti and Sutra Neti. In Jal Neti, we make use of this Neti pot. We fill this pot with lukewarm water, in which we also add salt, and then we fit in this nozzle in our one nostril, and the water comes out from another nostril with the effect of gravity, and then we repeat the same process with another nostril. Then for Sutra Neti, we use this waxed thread, and then we put this waxed part to our nose and then take it out from our mouth with the help of index finger and thumb. And for beginners, we do rubber neti because it's a little easier as it is thin and it easily passes out from nostril. So when we perform this with rubber catheter, we call this rubber neti. So now we'll talk about benefits of neti. It actually helps in overcoming from sinus issue and all type of migraines and frequent common cold, and it is actually helps in curing premature graying of hair. It imparts glow on your face, and Sutra Neti practice can helps in all the problems above shoulder. It activates your facial muscles, and it actually improves your eyesight. It also improves the sense of smell, and there are so many benefits that you experience when you practice this kriya. Now, who should not do this kriya? So the people who have severe nasal bleeding, or with ear infection, or the people who have very weak eyesight, or with the issue of cataract or glaucoma, should not perform this. Or you should also not perform these kriya during flu or cold. So you just need to recover from that ailment, and then you can perform this kriya. Now we are going to discuss about the second technique, dhoti. Four more common practices under dhoti are Agnisar Kriya, Shank Prakshalan, Kunjal, and Vastra Dhoti. Today we are going to discuss about the Kunjal Kriya, because this is very simple and cleanses our digestive system. It includes drinking lukewarm water until your stomach gets filled, and then intentionally vomiting out through the mouth. It actually cleanses your stomach and food pipe, so all the excess toxins and kapha or pitta just comes out from your body and make you feel really very light. So we'll discuss now who should not perform this. So the people with high blood pressure and heart disease should not do this, and also the people with duodenal ulcer, or stomach ulcer, or who have the issue with their eyes, ear, or nose should not do this, because this kriya imparts a lot of pressure on all these organs. Now the benefit of this kriya. This kriya balances out the three doshas, that is kapha, pitta and vata. As we have seen that this removes the excess kapha and pitta from our body, so it's very good for people who have the acidity issues, or it also removes the excess fat from our body. So this kriya is really helpful for people who want to lose weight, and then this can cure any form of fever, and by practicing this you can experience a lot of other benefit from this kriya. Now third technique is Nauli kriya. We also call this kriya abdominal massaging. So to do this kriya, or to learn this kriya, one should master the Agnisar kriya and Uddiyaan Bandh for few weeks. Agnisar kriya is the abdominal wall contraction and expansion, and this Nauli includes the rolling out of abdominal muscles, first in middle and then right and then left. So it is actually little complicated, and I am still learning this Nauli kriya. So yes, its benefit includes it relieves constipation, it improves metabolism, and it is also very good for increasing the digestive fire, and it elevates all the digestive issues. And then who should not perform it? It is same as that of dhoti. So one with the high BP or heart disease, or with the ulcer issues, or all the contraindications that is for dhoti applies to noli and basti. So now we are going to discuss our fourth technique, that is basti. We also call this yogic anima. Ancient yogis used to do this kriya in the rivers. So with the help of noli kriya and udyan bandh, they used to draw in the water from their rectum, and they used to hold it for some time and expel it out. So by this kriya, they wash their large intestine. And we know that most of the diseases occur due to constipation. And by this, one can easily get rid of constipation. Now we are going to discuss the fifth kriya, that is Kapalbhati. There are three types of Kapalbhati: 𝐉𝐞𝐞𝐭 𝐂𝐫𝐞𝐚, Shatkarma Kapalbhati, and 𝐉𝐷karma Kapalbhati. 𝐉𝐷karma Kapalbhati is the normal air cleansing that we do, in which we do forceful exhalation and passive inhalation. So this is the normal Kapalbhati. 𝐉𝐞𝐶𝐭 Kapalbhati, we also call this sinus cleansing. In this, what we do, we sniff in the water from our nose and expel out from our mouth. And in Shatkarma Kapalbhati, we take the mouthful of water and then we expel that out from our nostril. So the benefits of these Kapalbhati are same as that of Kapalbhati. Like, it cleanses our frontal region of brain, it expel out all the excess carbon dioxide from our body, and it cleanses our system, it activates our facial muscles, thereby making us look ageless. And I'm going to explain Kapalbhati in detail in my Kapalbhati video, which is coming soon. And then who should not perform this Kapalbhati? The contraindications are same as that of Neti. If you have nasal bleeding issue, if you have ear infection, very weak eyesight, or cataract or glaucoma, then just recover from these conditions and then you can perform Kapalbhati. Now we are going to discuss Tratak. It is also called blinkless stare. It involves continuous and steady gazing at flame of the candle. Its benefits include it improves blood circulation to eye and also strengthen them. Now, among all six Shuddhi Kriyas, Tratak is known for its simple procedure. And if you practice it correctly and consistently, then it not only improves your concentration power but also purifies your mind from fluctuated thoughts. People ask me how I improve my asanas in such a short time span. So here is the answer. I practice these Shatkarma Kriyas on regular basis. I am still working on Noli and Basti Kriya, and you'll see me doing Jalneti, Sutraneti, Kunjal Kriya, Shatkarma Kapalbhati, and Tratak in my upcoming videos. So that's all for today. I hope you like the video, and if you have any related questions, please ask me in the comment section, and see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.